I'm Sahiti Morla and I'm a sophomore at North Texas. Today I'll be going over wave mathematics. Three basic trigonometry functions which can be explained by the acronym SOHCAHTOA. So, sine equals opposite over hypotenuse, cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse, TOA, tangent equals opposite over adjacent. Also, tangent can also equal sine over cosine. 60-90 triangles and the 45-45-90 triangles. First of all, the 30-60-90 triangle. The opposite side of the 30 degrees is x. The opposite side of the 60 degrees is x times square root of 3. The opposite side of 90 degrees is 2x. Now the 45-45-90 degree angle. The opposite side of the 45 degrees is x. The opposite side of the 90 degrees is x times square root of 2. So circle, first of all, central angle over 360 degrees equals arc length over circumference. Second, area of sector over full area equals arc length over circumference. As you can see, the arc length over circumference is similar in both equations. So you can say central angle over 360 equals area of sector over full area, which has a radius of 1 and where pi equals 180 degrees. And I'm going to be talking about the first quadrant mainly. So over here, for example, there's 30 degrees, which equals pi over 6, which is equal to 180 over 6. And has a point of square root of 3 over 2, 1/2. As you can see, the right side and the left side mirror each other across the y-axis, and the bottom part and the top part mirror each other across the x-axis. Also, if you can draw a triangle over here from the 30 degrees, you can see a 30-60-90 triangle too. Function graph and the cosine function graph. Here, if these triangles can go all the way around, it can make a circle. And in the sine function graph, the horizontal leg determines the altitude of the graph. And then the horizontal leg of the cosine function graph can determine the altitude of its function graph. So in the sine graph, it's positive in quadrants 1 and 2 and negative in 3 and 4. In the cosine, it's positive in 1 and 4 and negative in 2 and 3. And also, based on this, you can see a unit circle. This is the sine function graph equation, and this is the cosine function graph equation. A represents the altitude. The Greek letter lambda represents the distance between. T represents the Greek letter lambda over the speed. Every time x and t equal 2 pi, they reset, just like a wave. And this character over here represents if there's a shift.